Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Call of Duty Warzone operates regarding offline play. It is crucial to understand that Warzone is fundamentally an online-only game. This means you will always need a consistent internet connection to access any of its game modes, including the main Battle Royale, Resurgence, and Plunder. There are no built-in options to play Warzone without an active connection to the game servers. The online requirement for Warzone stems from its core design as a massive multiplayer experience. The game uses dedicated servers to manage up to 150 players in a single match, ensuring fair play and consistent performance. Furthermore, essential anti-cheat measures and frequent game updates are delivered through this online connection. Your personal progression, weapon unlocks, and any purchased items are also securely stored on these online servers. While Warzone is online only, many other Call of Duty titles provide excellent offline experiences. You can enjoy compelling single-player campaigns in games like Modern Warfare or Black Ops, offering hours of story-driven gameplay. Additionally, several Call of Duty games feature local multiplayer modes where you can play against AI bots, or with friends via split screen, all without needing an internet connection. Since Warzone requires an internet connection, optimizing your online setup is key for smooth gameplay. Always aim for a stable, high-speed internet connection to minimize lag and disconnections. Using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi can significantly improve reliability and reduce latency. Also, remember to close any unnecessary background applications that might consume valuable bandwidth while you are playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.